We are talking about hygiene, personal hygiene, okay? Okay. Who is she? She is Fatima. Okay, she is Fatima. Okay. I am doing Achu, okay? Achu. You are getting wet? Yes. A big Achu, now big Achu. Achu. You are getting wet? Yes. What she is doing? She is spreading germs all over you. She is doing good or bad? Bad. It's a good habit or bad habit? Bad habit. Okay. Now see when she is doing achu with covering her mouth. What happened? Okay. When she is doing achu with covering her mouth. Okay. Achu. You are getting wet now? Again, again. Achu. You are getting wet now? No. So what do you get lesson from this? When you cough or when you sneeze, cover your mouth if you please. When you cough or when you sneeze, cover your mouth if you please. That's the healthy things to do. Stopping germs is up to you. When you cough or when you sneeze, cover your mouth if you please.